Well, hey guys, today I'm on the Allure of the Seas and we're going to check out Central Park. Now, Central Park is located on deck 8. It's a big open area. It's got a lot of plants and a lot of greenery here. It's got shops. If you'll look to your left and right as we walk through, you'll see the balcony cabins up there. What's nice about this deck is, you can actually book a balcony cabin here and you can sit on your balcony and actually look outside, but you can look over your balcony and actually people watch. Now, as I walk through, I hear all kinds of sounds. I hear birds and everything like that. I've never actually seen a bird here, so I'm assuming it's piped in music or piped in bird sounds, but hey, it's very nice out here, so let's just continue our walkthrough. If you'll stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to go on the upper decks and we'll take a look what it looks like from the upper decks looking down into the Central Park, and then I'll also come back at night and we'll get some night footage.
Yeah, working on my YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, maybe you want to be in it?
What's the
Nitro.
Maybe I can just subscribe to it.
Nitro Country. Hey, I got my new guy right here.
Hello there. Shout out to
Say shout out to Nitro Country.
Shout out to Nitro Country.
Thank you.
Yeah. You guys subscribe. Don't forget.
If you see this glass enclosure to the right as I walk by, that's actually a bar in there that has a lift, and it'll hold, I don't know, 20-30 people, and you can sit in there in the bar, have a drink, and it'll actually lower down to deck 5 on the promenade deck. So that's a really neat feature on this ship.
Oh, it's beautiful up here. Oh, it's great. Trying to get some videos from my YouTube channel now.
Nice. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Recognize that?
Well, let's go through the glass doors and we'll head up to the upper decks and we'll take a look and we'll get some footage what it looks like from the upper deck looking down into Central Park. Well, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, keep watching for more cruise videos. Now that I'm retired, I plan on doing a lot more cruising. So, hey, till next time, happy cruising.